to cancel your Canva subscription. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to cancel your Canva subscription. So for that, just simply open the Canva's official website and just simply log into your account. And after logging into your account, just simply click on this profile section from the bottom left corner of your screen. If you are using in your mobile app, just simply click on and locate your profile section, and from there just go to the settings option over here. And on the left hand side menu, you will be able to see all these options. Just click on the billings and order and invoices section. And over here, you will be able to see the details of the subscription. Right now, this subscription that I'm using is with my team, and the team member who have bought this subscription has the access to all the billing information. So I don't see the option to cancel the subscription over here. But if you have bought the personal subscription on the Canva account, you will be able to see the option called cancel your subscription. You just simply have to click on it and confirm your action while clicking on continue, and yeah, then you will be able to cancel your Canva subscription right there. So this is basically how you will be able to cancel your Canva subscription successfully.